Are you searching for your dream job or just looking for ways to advance your career? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage the power of LinkedIn and use it to find opportunities that are perfectly suited to you. Plus, I'm going to share an expert strategy that will give you an advantage over other job seekers. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of LinkedIn as a job seeker. With over 740 million users, LinkedIn provides great opportunities for networking and finding job postings. I'm going to break down step by step 3 benefits using job search engines and an expert job search strategy that will give you the competitive edge over the other applicants. So let's get started. But first, I'm Rein. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for over a decade. I've helped thousands of job seekers land their dream jobs by sharing insider secrets from the recruiter's perspective. As a job search strategist, I specialize in teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their job search, land jobs that truly inspire them, and earn the income they so richly deserve. You're here because you want to learn how to land your dream job. I create new training videos like this every single week. If you'd like to get exclusive access to insider tips and job search strategies before anyone else, now's the perfect time to subscribe and receive alerts when I post new content. LinkedIn is here to save the day in your search for gainful employment. I want to share with you some simple strategies to effectively use LinkedIn to make your job search a success. A great way to stay up on the latest industry news and connect with other professionals who share your interests is LinkedIn groups. By joining groups related to your industry or hobbies, you can stay in the know about the latest trends and developments. But that's not all. Participating in group discussions can also help you make valuable connections with recruiters or hiring managers. Who knows what opportunities may arise from simply being an active part of a community? Plus, you might even find some new friends along the way. Another effective way to use LinkedIn in your job search is to follow companies on LinkedIn so you can stay up to date on their latest job postings and company updates. Think of it as virtual networking events where you can connect with businesses and colleagues in your industry without the uncomfortable small talk. If you're on the lookout for new job opportunities and currently unemployed, LinkedIn's Open to Work feature is a powerful tool to get the word out to recruiters. It's a simple yet effective way to let others in your professional network know that you're on the hunt for new opportunities. Not only is it an automated message to recruiters, but it also allows them to directly browse your profile and start a conversation. This feature is an excellent way of increasing your visibility on the platform and dramatically shortening your job search time. By broadcasting that you're open to work to more people, you might find yourself getting contacted with exciting job prospects that you wouldn't have found otherwise. I want to share one more expert job searching strategy with you, which is extremely important and most job seekers neglect. So hang tight. If any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's www.poundingpavement101.com. And there, you'll be able to gain access to my free Job Search On-Demand workshop. And it'll show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately, so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your search for a new career opportunity. As an expert in job searching, I highly recommend utilizing LinkedIn's advanced search feature when looking for your next career move. This tool can be incredibly helpful in narrowing down your search by location, industry, and job title, ultimately leading to more targeted and relevant job postings. By using this feature, You can easily filter out irrelevant job listings that simply waste your time and focus on those that are a better fit for your skills and experience. Remember, LinkedIn is not only a way to showcase your professional experience, but it's also a powerful tool for networking and job searching. Make sure you utilize all its features to maximize your chances of finding a job. And well, what I taught you today is incredibly important. It might not be the only thing to get you to where you need to be in landing your next career opportunity. So again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on inside secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com. And if you really want to turbocharge your job search, grab time on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers. So we can talk about your job search and how my foolproof job-getting, career-building system, Pounding Pavement 101, can show you how to land your dream job, as it has for thousands of other job seekers. My name is Ilene Rein. I'm an executive recruiter and job search strategist from Pounding Pavement 101. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.